Only 39 have come. Many more
Still,
supposed.
they will come sister.
Okay, okay. Huh? Oh, Nujay. Very good morning, Nana. నా క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఇప్పుడే ఇటీ ఆ ఫోన్ ఇటీ చెయ్యి నాకు ఇప్పుడే క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది yeah, Nana. What is for this weekend? Plant kingdom, biological classification, right? So the revision part almost done. Balra sir told me, but we can again go for revision with questions. Okay, Nana?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nana.
తీసుకోకూడదు అది తీసుకోకూడదు సేఫ్టీ కార్డ్ అది ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలి అంటే ఏదో కార్డు ఉండాలి కదా ఇక్కడ ఆడేటప్పుడు అందుకు పెట్టాలి అయితే ఎందుకు పెడతా తీసేస్తారా పెట్టకూడదు టూర్ తీసుకోకూడదు
తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటాం కానీ కావాలా
తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఏదో కార్డు ఉండాలి కదా సేఫ్టీకి అందుకు అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేయగానే జోకర్ వేస్తాం ఫస్ట్ కార్డ్ అది అయిపోయింది కదా మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం
కావాలని
తీసుకొని కార్డు తీసుకొని ఇది తీసుకోవాలని చెప్తాను
నువ్వే కానీ ఇప్పుడు 2 కావాలా అని అడిగావు
2 కావాలని అడిగా
Vidatri, she's from which section? Okay, Nana, come.
Sir?
Yes, Nana.
Good morning, sir. Harshit here.
Tell me, beta.
How are you, sir?
Fine, Nana. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nana. Today, tomorrow, we revise for test is on Sunday or Monday for you?
Monday,
sir.
Monday. So Monday, one day I won't be coming. Then Tuesday onwards, we'll separate and go ahead with Nana. Okay?
Okay.
All will be dealt with separately. Luckily, it was a revision part of first year, so not a problem. We start with biological classification, Anna. That's better, no? In Whittaker's system of classification, 5 system of classification, which is not considered, Nana?
viruses.
Virus.
Of course, organisms wise, which criterion is not taken into account?
Lichens.
Habitat, Nana. In others, they have taken into account even habitat also. Main criterion for classification was what? Cell wall. body organization, mode of nutrition there, reproduction there, phylogeny there, but habitat is not there. Kada? Then monirans are grouped into how many domains, Nana?
3 domains.
3.
Monirans into how many domains? 2 domains, archaea and bacteria. All eukaryotes were in one domain, that is called eukarya as it is, but archaea and bacteria were 2 domains. So prokaryotes into 2 domains, eukaryotes all into 1. And who proposed 6 kingdom classification, Nana?
Carlos.
Carlos.
And who proposed the 3 domain system, Nana? Same.
Carlos.
Yes. Which prokaryotes were included in the kingdom Plantae in 2 kingdom system? Which prokaryotes included under kingdom Plantae in 2 kingdom system? Almost all prokaryotes, Nana. That is the bacteria, the blue-green algae. Only Mycoplasma wallis were not considered. Because the main criterion there was presence of cell wall and absence of cell wall. First scientific approach was by who, Nana? By
Aristotle.
Aristotle, who is popularly known as the father of biology, right? He classified Plantae into how many groups, Nana? 3 groups, which we call it now only into herbs, shrubs, and trees. One criterion taken was habit. And tell me, Nana, among the animals, those with red blood were called what?
Enema.
Enema. Enema are without red blood. That term is not used in NCERT, but you need to know about those 2 things anyhow. Which organisms from Plantae and Animalia were brought into Protista, Nana? Examples that were specifically given in the textbook. Some from Plantae, some from Animalia brought into Protista.
Chlamydomonas and chlorella.
Yes, Chlamydomonas chlorella from Plantae, Paramecium amoeba from animal brought into Protista. What is the common feature of them, Nana? Chlamydomonas chlorella, Paramecium amoeba. Tell me, what is common feature of this? How are they placed under Protista? For 2 reasons, they are placed under Protista.
Unicellular.
Yes, number 1, unicellular, and 2, eukaryotic nature brought them into Protista. So mode of nutrition, in fact, is not considered. Autotrophic there, heterotrophic also were there. Isn't it? Which group within Monera show extensive diversity of metabolism, Nana?
Bacteria.
Or in general Monera also you can see. Majority monirans are with what mode of nutrition, Nana? Heterotrophic, of course. Within heterotrophic.
Saprophytic.
Saprophytic, yes. Vast majority of bacteria are heterotrophs, and that too feeding on dead organic matter for food. So saprobes, majority are heterotrophs. Majority heterotrophs are saprobes. Which organisms are considered to be simple in structure but complex in metabolism?
Bacteria.
Bacteria.
Yeah, yes. Pseudomurine is the wall material in, tell me, Nana.
Archaeobacteria.
Which include thermacidophiles, methanogens, halophiles, live in extremes of conditions because of two things. Number one, the cell wall structure, and two, cell membrane also, which
Membrane.
chain of lipids. What is cell wall material of actinomycetes, Nana? Though it is not there in NCERT, but it was there in Telugu.
Mycolic acid and peptidoglycan.
Yeah, mycolic acid along with, but peptidoglycan is characteristic of eubacteria in general. And of course, which bacteria shape wise, if you take which bacteria are devoid of flagella, Nana? Shape wise, different types, cocci, bacilli, spirili, vibrios, pleomorph there. Which among them are totally devoid of flagella, Nana?
Cocci.
Cocci are totally devoid of flagella. They can be with and without flagella. Spirili are always with flagella. Vibrios are always with flagella. Which group of monirans consist of heterocysts, Nana?
Eubacteria. Cyanobacteria.
Yeah. Within eubacteria, cyanobacteria, Nana. Blue-green algae, the earlier name. And which group of monirans were oxygenic photosynthetic, like higher plants?
Cyanobacteria.
Cyanobacteria.
Same cyanobacteria. And in fact, they are similar to higher plants in evolving oxygen, and because they contain chlorophyll A also, along with, of course, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin. Predominant is phycocyanin. Oxygenic photosynthetic. Which cyanobacterium was responsible for red color of Red Sea, Nana?
Trichodesmium erythraeum.
Trichodesmium erythraeum. And which cyanobacteria help mainly in recycling of which nutrient?
NPK, NP and iron.
Iron and sulfur.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur.
Iron, sulfur.
Iron and sulfur, important to remember now. The chemo, oh, wait a minute now. Nostoc anabinazole, right? Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. It is about chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria, not cyanobacteria, sorry. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria help mainly in recycling of nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, NP, iron and sulfur. Chemosynthetic, don't mistake them as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are photoautotrophic, so they are photosynthetic. Then cell wall nature wise, how are they distinct from other bacteria, Nana? Cyanobacteria? Cell wall nature wise, how are they distinct from other bacteria, Nana? Cyanobacteria distinct from other bacteria. They
Sheet.
Mucilaginous or gelatinous sheath, Nana. Apart from, of course, having heterosis, having oxygenic photosynthetic process, metabolism, mucilage sheath. Which cells of them help in nitrogen fixation, Nana?
Heterosis. Heterosis.
Help in nitrogen fixation. Of course, the economic importance of them is concerned. You came across extensive account in microbes and human welfare anyhow. It not be a harmful bacteria wise. Who is that? Man? Rahul, any problem? Man? Okay. Protestant group with cellulosic cell wall. Tell me, Nana.
సాయి తిన్నావా?
అయ్యో సాయి ఇంకా టైం ఉంది కదా నాన్న తినడానికి. వర్షిత్ ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నో పోయింది. విచ్ ప్రోటిస్టన్ గ్రూప్ హ్యాస్ cellulosic cell wall, Nana? Dinoflagellates. Of course, diatoms also have cellulose, but predominant there in diatoms is which one?
Silicon.
Which is absent in dinoflagellates. So dinoflagellate cell wall is with cellulose that is seen as plates or armor like. Which dinoflagellate is responsible for red color, red tides of Mediterranean?
Goniolax.
The only example given under dinoflagellates is Goniolax. But you are aware of there is one more which is
Noctiluca.
Noctiluca. Very good. Then mode of nutrition in euglenoids, Nana?
Mixotrophic.
Mixotrophic. In presence of sunlight, autotrophic. In the absence of sunlight, predatory. So heterotrophic. Which group of protistans show vertical, longitudinal binary fission?
Euglenoids.
Exhibit. The example there is Euglena, which contain pigments like higher plants, chlorophyll A, B, and xanthophyll. So they help in photosynthesis. And tell me, Nana, which protestant group considered as chief producers of oceans?
Diatom.
Sapphire.
Very good. Which protestant group show passive movement in water currents? Diatoms. Passive movement by water currents. Spores of which organisms were disseminated by wind currents, Nana?
Slime mold.
Slime molds. The only structures of slime molds having cellulosic cell wall like higher plants. Which protestant group has silicon shell, especially
Amoeboid.
marine amoeboids? Rahul, mute cheyna now. Okay. Marine amoeboids have silicon shell, and the only structures of slime molds with cellulosic cell wall are slime molds. Which protestant group live as that comes under Monera, no? Which Moneran group live as aerobes but can survive in the absence of O2, Nana?
Mycoplasma.
Mycoplasmas, which are disease causing both in plants and animals. Which protestant group live exclusively as sapro?
Slime mouse.
Slime mouse.
Decomposition protection.
How many are Protestant groups actually? 5 were there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Protestant group with spores only having cellulosic cell wall is slime molds.
Slime mold.
Yeah, Protestant group with spore dispersal by air currents is lime molds. Then Protestant group which live exclusively as saprobes is also slime molds.
Slime molds.
Exclusive, no variation. Which Protestant group are one way similar to plantae, another way similar to animalia, another way similar to fungi?
Slime mouse.
Slime mold.
Protozoans anochanana. Of
They
course,
are animal like.
in general, protozoans are one way related to plants, another way related to animals, another way related to fungi. Which is related to looking like fungi means slime molds comparable to nature-wise concerned. So they are considered as ancestors of that way if you take. What is the common method of reproduction in Chrysophyta? Diatoms. ఏందన్నది? Binary fission like in bacteria. They undergo binary fission. Of course, they also show sexual reproduction. Monodon group lacking cell wall.
Mycoplasma.
Mycoplasma. Protestant group lacking cell wall.
Euglenoids.
Slime molds, even protozoans
Protozoan.
with cell wall, distinct cell wall actually are diatoms and dinoflagellates. Remaining may or may not have. E-cell gur is obtained from Protestant
Diatoms.
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 Yeah, what is the class of diatoms, Nana? Class to which they belong.
Chrysophyta.
Yes, Nana.
Shriman.
Which Protestant group have so like cell wall, Nana?
శ్రీమాన్ తిన్నావారా మేడం ఏం చెప్తుందో అర్థమైతలేదురా పోయి రాత్రి మందు తీసుకొస్తా తాగు
Okay,
Sir,
Nana?
remove him, sir.
సార్ నన్ను కోహోస్టింగ్ చేయండి సార్ కొంచెం చూస్తా వాళ్ళని.
Yeah, that's what. ఇది ఒకటే రాహుల్ అని వస్తుంది ఏందో మరి.
ఎవరు రాహుల్ అంట సార్.
Yes, madam. Done, madam. Protestant group with flagella. Enana?
Diatoms and euglenoids.
Protestant group with flagella. Diatoms are without flagella, beta.
Dinoflagellates.
Euglenoids.
Euglenoids. It can even be
Flagellated
Protozoan.
flagellated protozoans like Trypanosoma also. What was the example of ciliated protozoan, Nana?
Paramecium.
Very good. And of course, flagellated protozoan, Trypanosoma, the one which causes sleeping sickness, also there. Class of fungi with endogenous asexual spores.
Phycomyces.
Remaining all are, if at all, asexual spores there which are exogenous and they were Conidia or Conidiospores. Class of fungi generally lacking asexual spores. Is Nana?
Basidiomyces.
Very good. Classes of fungi with conidiospores.
Deuteromyces.
And
Asco and Basidiomyces.
Basidio?
Deutero and Asco.
Deutero and Ascomyces.
Deuteromystes. Asco and Deuteromystes. Class of fungi with septate monokaryotic mycelium only.
Deuteromyces.
Deuteromycetes. If it is Asco and Basidiomyces, monokaryotic as well as dikaryotic, both kinds you see. Class of fungi lacking asexual spore generally is Basidiomycetes, lacking sexual reproduction.
Deuteromycetes.
Nothing but fungi, imperfecti or imperfect fungi. It is also called. Tell me, Nana, morels and truffles belong to which class of fungi?
Ascomycetes.
Yeah. And which class of fungi are mostly coprophilous?
Asco.
Ascomycetes. A unicellular Ascomycetes fungus. Nana?
Yeast.
Saccharomyces.
Saccharomyces. Ascomycetes member used as an experimental tool in genetics and biochemistry.
Neurospora.
Very good. Then class of fungi where delay is between plasmogamy and karyogamy.
Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes.
Class of fungi where delay is between karyogamy and meiosis.
Phycomycetes.
Mycetes, very good. Class of fungi with asexual zoospores mostly.
Phycomycetes.
Is very good. Yes, Nana. Whereas in Ascobasidio they are without flagella. These spores we know they are with flagella. Supposed to be. Class of fungi with aseptate mycelium.
Phycomycetes.
A phycomycete that was causing white rust in mustard.
Albugo.
Ascomycetes fungus. Unicellular, of course, that was already done. Yeast or Saccharomyces. What is cell wall material in fungi, Nana?
Chitin plus polysaccharide.
Chitin and polysaccharides. Is chitin homo or
Homopolymer.
The homopolymer. It is as well called complex polysaccharide. Most of the complex polysaccharides are homopolymers. That was in biomolecule chapter you came across. Okay. Tell me, Nana, a gymnosperm with mycorrhizae. What was it? Remember?
Pinus with glomus.
Good. Fungi in symbiotic association can form. Symbiotic algae will form what?
Lichens.
Lichens. Related to biological classification only, in general you find it as. Tell me, Nana, what is fungal partner providing to algal partner?
Shelter and water minerals.
Shelter plus water minerals.
Water and nutrients.
Yeah, whereas phycoplant in turn was providing food materials because photosynthesis. Yes.
Autotrophic.
Sorry. Classes of fungi with haploid but N plus N condition.
Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes.
Asco and Basidium.
Asco and Basidiomycetes, perfectly right. Which class of fungi mostly grow on wooden logs, tree stumps, and in the soil.
Basidiomycetes.
Basidiomycetes, very good. Nana. Tell me an example of a smut causing basidiomycete.
Yustago.
Go rust fungus of basidiomycetes.
Yersinia.
Yes, Nana. Coccinia, rust causing Eustilago, smut causing. And of course, you have it in Telugu Academy textbook. What is a bracket fungi, Nana?
Polypores.
Puffballs,
Lycoperdon.
Lycoperdon. Very good. Then claviceps belongs to which class of fungi?
Ascomycetes.
Ascomycetes.
Please. Ascomycetes fungus, which was commercially used in citric acid production, link based. Tell me, Nana.
Aspergillus.
Aspergillus.
Yes. What is fruiting body in Ascomycetes called?
Ascocarp.
Yes, Nana. Ascocarp in turn produces what?
Ascus or asci.
Ascus or asci, which in turn the spores called?
Ascospores.
Ascospores. Classes of fungi with endogenous sexual spores.
Ascomycetes.
Phycomycetes.
Also Phycomycetes, very good. Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes. Class of fungi with exogenous sexual spores.
Basidiomycetes.
Basidiomycetes. Class of fungi lacking sexual spores, of course, is
Deuteromycetes.
and the classes of fungi with exogenous asexual spores were Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Asexual endogenous spores was with
Phycomycetes.
Phycomycetes. Asexual spores are exogenous. Asexual spores, endogenous, is in only one class, that is Phycomycetes. Endogenous sexual spores when it comes to Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes. Exogenous sexual spores when it comes to, tell me, Nana?
Basidiomycetes.
Basidiomycetes, very good. Mode of nutrition in most fungi.
Saprophytic.
Saprophytic. Like most bacteria, most fungi are also saprophytic, Nana. Common. Which protozoans are with gullet?
Paramecium.
Antena? Any more?
Euglena.
Right, also ciliated protozoans and euglenoids both are with gullet. The additional parts won't be there in ciliated protozoans, that's a different thing. So the cilia cause rhythmic movement which enables what, Nana? Steering
Water laden with
food particles.
then we put into the gullet. And of course, sporozoan protozoan with staggering effect on human population.
Plasmodium.
Malaria. Yes, ma'am. Sexual reproduction in fungi in general, if you take, can be by what kind of spores, Nana?
Oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores.
Ascospores, basidiospores, sporangiospores. You know, sporangiospores was the case with Phycomycetes. Additional mentioned is oospores, product of meiosis. They are all meiospores. You can also call them. Tell me, Nana. What kind of sexual reproduction seen in Phycomycetes? A fusion of gametes in relation to fertilization wise, if you take, what kind is seen in Phycomystis?
Isogamous.
Isogamous or anisogamous or oogamous?
And isogamous, anisogamous, or even
Oogamous.
oh. Trichoderma belongs to which class of fungi, Nana?
Deuteromyces.
Deutero.
Yes. Trichoderma is a Deuteromystis. It was also an example under microbes and human welfare. Could you recollect?
Biopesticide.
Of course, you are right.
Yields cyclosporin.
Immunosuppressor agent cyclosporin A is obtained from Nana. Is it from Trichoderma? Polysporum species name, right? Yes, better. So Trichoderma name is significant in 3 ways we were talking about. An example under Deuteromystis, 2 biopesticide, and 3 immunosuppressor agent cyclosporin A is obtained from Trichoderma polysporum. What is reserve food material in fungi, Nana?
Glycogen and oil.
Glycogen and oils, very good. Glycogen also was common reserve food material in which other group or kingdom, Nana?
Animalia.
Animalia. So similarity of fungi and animalia, 2 different kingdoms. Alternaria belongs to which class of fungi, Nana?
Deuteromystis.
Alternaria, Colitotrichum, Trichoderma, Fusarium. You are adding because Fusarium was example you came across in phytohormones.
Gibberellins.
Imperfect stage of Gibberella fugicori. What are edible Ascomycetes fungi, Nana?
Morels and
Morels and
Morels and
truffles.
truffles.
And truffles, and of course the edible Basidiomycetes also were there, which called
Agaricus.
mushrooms belonging mostly to the genus Agaricus. Albugo belongs to which class of fungi, Nana?
Phycomystis.
These examples also you should be careful. Their structure in relation to what were examples of insectivorous plants, Nana? Under kingdom plant given brief account.
Bladderwort. Venus
Nepenthes utriculate.
Bladderwort, Venus
flytrap.
Dahlia, sundew.
Pitcher plant.
Dragonfly.
All that you are aware of. What is a complete stem parasite?
Cuscuta. Cuscuta.
Largest flowered angiosperm is, Nana?
Rafflesia.
Rafflesia.
A complete root parasite. Right?
Yes.
Then which kingdom is with holozoic mode of nutrition, Nana?
Animalia.
Kingdom Animalia. Which kingdom is with elaborate sensory and neuromotor mechanism?
Animalia. Animalia.
Yes. Tell me, Nana, Diner discovered which organism?
Viroids.
Viroids. Are the viroids disease causing in plants or in animals, Nana?
Plants.
Plants. One example was
Potato spindle tuberous.
Another I gave you was citrus
Exocortosis.
Yes. Is the nucleic acid in viroids is DNA or RNA?
RNA.
Standard RNA.
What is the speciality of that RNA?
Lack protein code.
Of course,
Low molecular weight.
good low molecular weight. Of low molecular weight. Or the prions, disease causing in plants or animals?
Animals.
Animal.
Animals. Humans.
Animals. They are only proteins but infectious in nature, disease causing. Isn't it? And of course, what is the disease by prion in man?
C.R. Jacob
C.R.
disease.
Jacob disease.
Creutzfeldt Jacob.
C.R. Jacob disease, CJD, and of course,
Mad cow disease.
yeah, it is nothing but spongiform
Encephalopathy.
encephalopathy. Mad cow disease of cattle. And of course, mad cow disease in cow, you can say otherwise, or in cattle. Analogous variant in human beings is Creutzfeldt Jacob disease. This is transmitted through what, Nana? Bees. Lichens are considered very good pollution indicators. Does it mean their occurrence is indication of more pollution?
No, sir.
No, sir.
More unpolluted area.
Reverse, their occurrence more in an area indication is less pollution, more pollution. That we considered as pollution indicators, the lichens. Tell me, Nana, distinct nature of viruses was first given by Ivanovsky. Who coined the term virus, Nana?
Louis Pasteur.
Pasteur. What does term virus mean?
Venom or poisonous fluid.
Yes, venom or poisonous fluid. The infectious nature of viruses, that is tobacco mosaic virus, when sprayed on healthy plant, was shown by
Bejenic.
Bejerinek, who also made a statement. What is the statement made by him, Nana?
Contagium vivum fluidum.
Contagium vivum fluidum, infectious living fluid. Who first isolated viruses in pure crystalline?
W.M. Stanley.
Which virus was it?
Tobacco mosaic virus.
Virus. How much does it measure in length?
3000 Armstrong.
Armstrong.
Though not there in the textbook, we were mentioning about that length. Thickness also 18 or 19 nanometers.
180 Armstrong.
What shaped is tobacco mosaic virus, Nana?
Rod shaped.
Rod shaped, yes. What symmetry does it exhibit, Nana?
Helical symmetry.
Symmetry exhibited by bacteriophage virus?
Helical and cubical symmetry.
Both. Head part is cubical, tail part is helical symmetry shown by the capsomeres arrangement. What is the nucleic acid in bacteriophage viruses, Nana?
Double-stranded
DNA.
Mostly double-stranded DNA, but there was one with single-stranded DNA. What was that bacteriophage, Nana? Gurtunda? From molecular basis chapter.
5x174 phase.
Yes. With single-stranded DNA. Otherwise, bacteriophages are generally with double-stranded DNA. What are the viral diseases in man, Nana?
Smallpox, hepatitis.
AIDS, corona, rabies.
Yeah, mumps, herpes, influenza, smallpox listed here. Of course, we know polio is also a viral disease. And nowadays, many we are noticing, even a SARS virus, COVID-19. No. Diseases by viruses in plants. They are mostly
Fluorosis.
Rain.
Yeah.
Dwarfing, stunted growth,
Rolling spot.
leaf,
Clearing, binding, malformation.
Yeah. Dwarfing, nothing but stunted growth, leaf rolling, leaf curling, yellowing,
Vein
and
plant.
clearing,
Mosaic.
banding. All
ring spot,
most of the viral disease symptoms are seen on leaves, number one, and viruses or infections are systemic, means they spread throughout in the plant body. And of course, the common vector for viral diseases is insect, most commonly transmitting viral diseases within the crops or insects. What is chemical nature of prions, Nana? What are they chemically made up of?
Protein.
Protein coat.
Protein coat, no nucleic acid core. On the other hand, virides are only with nucleic acid.
No
Devoid
protein.
of protein.
The lack protein.
That a scientist name also, T.O. Diner, who discovered viroid. So, Nana, let us now come back, go to plant kingdom. Tell me, Nana, which group in the plant kingdom are all homosporous?
bryophytes,
Which groups in the plant kingdom are all heterosporous?
gymnosperms and
Gymnosperms
angiosperms,
and angiosperms.
Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Which group in the plant kingdom are homo and heterosporous?
pteridophytes,
Majority of pteridophytes are the homo or heterosporous, Nana?
homosporous,
Majority are homosporous. And of course, pteridophytes are distinct from other plant groups in terms of the nutrition of the gametophyte and sporophyte also.
Independent.
Yeah. If it is bryophyte or sporophyte is parasite on gametophyte.
Gametophyte is dominant.
If it is gymnoangiosperms, gametophyte.
Gametophyte is dominant.
But this is the only group in which both are
Independent and free living.
autotrophic. But very important to remember, gametophyte can live as, tell me, Nana?
Free.
In pteridophytes, gametophyte mostly autotrophic, independent, but can also be living as, tell me better. That's important to remember. Nutrition of gametophytes in pteridophytes mostly autotrophic, but can also live as. That mention you find in submarine.
Shell parasite.
No. Be careful.
Saprophyte.
That's what. Can be. Gametophyte can be related to pteridophyte. Water, of course, is required at the time of fertilization. But gametophyte is independent or saprophytic in its mode of nutrition. In pteridophyta is concerned. Tell me, Nana, algae with haplodiploidic life cycle.
Bryophytes and pteridophytes.
No, I said algae with haplodiploidic life cycle.
Ectocarpus and polycyphonia.
Laminaria.
Laminaria also, Nana. Ectocarpus, polycyphonia, laminaria, and kelps.
Yes, sir.
But taller red algae, you can call them as kelps. Then what is type of life cycle in fucus, Nana?
Diplontic.
Diplontic life.
Yeah, an alga with diplontic life cycle is fucus. An alga with embryo also is fucus. Embryo formation also seen in that one. Type of life cycle in bryophyta and pteridophytes?
Haplodiploidic.
Very good. Type of life cycle in gymnoangiosperms?
Diplontic.
Diplontic.
Plantic. Type of life cycle in algae.
Haplontic.
An alga with diplomatic means fucus.
Fucus. Diplomatic.
Algae with haplodiplomatic means ectocarpus.
Laminaria polycyclium.
Polycyphonia kelp.
Ectocarpus laminaria polycyphonia. I can interpret that way. Dominant phase in the life cycle of pteridophytes. Is it gametophyte or sporophyte?
Sporophyte.
Sporophytes.
Long-lived predominant stage. Gametophyte, of course, independent but not long-lived, short-lived. It is delicate, in fact. Which groups in the plant kingdom require water at the time of fertilization?
Bryophyte.
That's it, Nana.
Also algae.
and bryophytes.
Antena?
Pteridophyte.
Pteridophytes.
Pteridophytes also need water at the time of fertilization. That is the reason why they are confined to certain areas where plenty of water is there. Especially during sexual reproduction, water is a must. And in fact, for Bryophyta, he says that is the reason why they are called amphibians also. But actual reason is they live in moist, shady localities also, that way they are called. Which group of plant kingdom is? First land plants, Nana?
Bryophytes.
First true land plants means?
Pteridophytes.
Pteridophytes, yes, very good. The unique feature of angiosperms is related to reproduction, Anna.
Double fertilization.
Triple fusion, double fertilization. Nowhere else in the whole plant kingdom it is seen. It is seen only in angiosperm, that is dicots and monocots. Which plant group is with haploid endosperm, nourishing embryo?
Gymnosperms.
Sperms.
Pre-fertilization.
Yeah, and in fact, it is considered as pre-fertilization product also because it's there before fertilization itself. Whereas in angiosperms, it is diploid
Primary endosperm.
product of fertilization useful in nourishing embryo. Tallest angiospermic plant is Nana?
Eucalyptus.
Growing over 100 meters. Tallest plant means
Sequoia.
Sequoia.
Sequoia or sequoia.
So, but in NCERT, they've given it as one of the tallest in the plant kingdom.
One of the tallest in the plant kingdom is sequoia or Sequoiadendron gigantea. That's true, better. In the whole plant kingdom. But within angiosperms is concerned? Eucalyptus. Which grows more than or less than 100 meters now?
Over 100 meters.
More than.
So more than 100 meters. What is smallest angiosperm, Nana?
Wolffia duckweed.
Wolffia, which is just a half centimeter in size. The numerosity of flowers in dicots in general is?
Tetran.
Tetra or pentamerous. Merous flowers in most monocots is?
Trimerous.
Trimerous, you are right. Tell me, Nana. Two gymnosperms with modified roots.
Cycas and Pinus.
Root modification in Cycas, Nana?
Coralloid.
Coralloid roots.
Coralloid roots. Whereas in pinus,
Mycorrhizae.
mycorrhizae. A gymnosperm with fan-shaped leaves. From photograph, you can make out fan-shaped leaves, which is also called living fossil of the gymnosperms.
Ginkgo biloba.
Ginkgo biloba. Of course, living fossil, when we say even cycas also comes, but fan-shaped leaves are seen in ginkgo, which has two kinds of branches. Nanavi?
Offshoot and long.
Long shoot diagram based with labeling question is possible on that, so be careful. What is female sex organ in gymnosperms, Nana?
Archegonium.
Archegonium, which is also there in which other groups?
Bryophytes and pteridophytes.
And pteridophytes, correct. When you bryophytes, archegonium, pteridophytes, archegonium, when you go to how the difference you find, Nana? What difference I used to tell you? The sex organs, Antheridae, archegonia of pteridophytes differ from that of bryophytes mainly in that they are sessile, stalkless. Can be with stalk in case of bryophyta.
Multicellular and jacketed.
Multicellular, jacketed, yes.
Bryophytes.
Male, female sex organs is okay. Archegoniate, atracheophytic plant kingdom group.
Bryophytes.
Non-archegoniate, atracheophytic plant group.
Algae.
Algae. Embryophytic, tracheophytic, archegoniate.
Pteridophytes.
Why not gymnosperms, beta?
Yes, sir.
Archegonium is not.
Both have archegonium, no.
Yes.
Archegoniate, embryophytic, tracheophytic. Nature, both are with embryo, both are with archegonium. Non-archegoniate tracheophytes.
Angiosperms.
Archegoniate tracheophytes, both pteridophyta and gymnosperms. Archegoniate tracheophytic seed plants.
Gymnosperms.
They are with seed, isn't it? And of course, what is considered the precursor of seed habit in pteridophyte, Nana?
The female gametophyte.
Retention of female gametophyte in the system up till embryo formation is considered precursor of seed habit that resulted in seed habit. Nana, tell me, Nana, two examples of heterosporous pteridophytes.
Selaginella salvia.
Two examples of cone-forming pteridophytes.
Selaginella
equisita.
Yes. Selaginella is cone-forming one way, is also heterosporous another way. And it is even with microphylls or microphylous leaves. Macrophylous is the case with fawns pteridophytes. Tell me example of a lycopsid pteridophytic.
Selaginella
Lycopodium. What is the class of equisitum, Nana?
Phenopsida.
Phenopsida. What is class of Coleotum?
Coleopsida.
Coleopsida. Class of Selaginella lycopodium, of course, is Lycopsida. Class of Adiantum, Nana?
Pteropsida.
Pteropsida. Dryopteris, Pteris, Adiantum. Which among these three is called walking fern, Nana?
Adiantum.
Very good. Tell me the example of gymnosperms with unbranched stem, cordex type of stem. Palm type.
Ficus citrus.
No, only cycus, Nana. Pinus and citrus are with branched or unbranched stem, Nana? Example.
Branched.
Branch.
A gymnosperm with needle-like leaves.
Pinus.
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 And a gymnosperm with, of course, same is with even thick cuticle, sunken
Stomata.
is considered exophytic adaptation. Kada? What are strobili otherwise called?
Cones.
Cone.
Cones.
Otherwise called? Especially with spiral movement on the axis. Lax.
Lax.
Lax. Compactly arranged cone with compact arrangement of sporophylls is considered as, is called technically as
Lax.
number of cotyledons in a gymnospermic embryo.
2.
Generally, cotyledons generally 2. So they are similar to dicots, in fact, that way. In fact,
Polycotyledons is fine.
many cotyledons was the case with.
Pinus.
Pinus.
Yes. And of course, polyembryony is common in
Common in all gymnosperms.
all gymnosperms. Pollen grain dispersal in gymnosperms is by.
Anemophilus.
Anemophilus. By wind.
By wind.
Anemophily means dispersal by wind.
Wind.
Dispersed they are. Okay, Nana, tomorrow also we revise better. Go through once again. Okay. I think we can stop this time now. 12.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank
Nana.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, Nana.